Here are 13 educational facts about the fourth dimension. 1. Beyond 3D, the fourth dimension is an extension beyond the three familiar spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, that we experience in our everyday lives. 2. Time as the fourth dimension. In physics, particularly in the theory of relativity, time is often considered the fourth dimension, combined with the three spatial dimensions to form a four-dimensional spacetime continuum. 3. Minkowski space. Hermann Minkowski, a mathematician, introduced the concept of four-dimensional spacetime, where time is treated as a geometric dimension, similar to the three spatial dimensions. 4. Hypercube, tesseract. A hypercube, or tesseract, is a four-dimensional analog of a cube. Just as a cube is made of 6 squares, a tesseract is made of 8 cubes. 5. Visualization challenges. Visualizing the fourth dimension is difficult for humans because our brains are wired to perceive only 3 dimensions. However, we can represent 4D objects by projecting them into 3D space, much like a 3D object casts a 2D shadow. 6. Cross-sections. When a 4D object passes through 3D space, we would only see a 3D cross-section of that object, much like how a 2D slice of a 3D object appears. 7. Hypersphere. A hypersphere is a four-dimensional equivalent of a sphere. Just as a 2D circle is the boundary of a 3D sphere, a 3D sphere is the boundary of a 4D hypersphere. 8. Extra dimensions in theoretical physics. In theories like string theory, additional spatial dimensions beyond the fourth are hypothesized, though these dimensions are believed to be compactified or curled up at extremely small scales. 9. 4D geometry. 4D geometry extends the principles of geometry into the fourth dimension, involving concepts like hyperplanes, 4D rotations, and hypersurfaces. 10. Relativity and the fourth dimension. In Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is described as the curvature of four-dimensional spacetime caused by mass and energy. 11. Applications in art. Some artists, like Salvador Dali, have attempted to represent the fourth dimension in their work, using surreal and abstract techniques to evoke the concept of higher dimensions. 12. 4D in video games. Some video games and virtual simulations explore the concept of the fourth dimension by allowing players to interact with or visualize 4D objects and spaces. 13. Hypothetical beings. If hypothetical beings existed in the fourth dimension, they could perceive all of our 3D space at once, much like how we perceive an entire 2D plane at once. These facts explore the fascinating and complex concept of the fourth dimension, touching on its implications in physics, mathematics, and even art and culture. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.